Now we have a pack of elephants coming by. I've taken a bunch of pictures, but of course the grass is in the way. But there are babies, but there's a tiny, tiny baby. So here's the first one's way up ahead. And now there's this one. And the wet one, which I guess he was just showering or bathing himself. Showering. See that tiny baby right there? And the less tiny baby. And a couple more babies. And now there's coming a few more. No lions today, but lots and lots of elephants. And this was the first set of babies we've seen, so that was pretty awesome. And then we have one more young elephant, but not quite a baby, coming. And then another big elephant. And then that is the end. And I hope this thing isn't focused, because it's very, very bright here, and it's hard to tell if it's focused. See, that's the youngster. And then the caboose of the elephant train. Thank you, elephants.